फिस्कल प्रोफाइल सभापती महाशय हांव आता राज्याचे फिस्कल प्रोफाइल संक्षिप्त स्वरूपात सादर करता। माझ्या सरकारान योजनाबद्ध आर्थिक धोरण आपणायला आणि राज्याचे आर्थिक मापदंड FRBM ॲक्टच्या मर्यादित दवरल्यात। सभापती महोदय 2023-24 या वर्सा GSTP भितर 2022-23 च्या तुलनेत 10.33% इतली विक्रमी वाढ जावन गोय राज्य 1 लाख कोटी रुपयाचो आंकडो पार करतले असो अदमास आसा। स्पीकर सर, the gross expenditure is projected at the rupees 26,844.40 crores, which is a rise of 9.71% over the estimates of the 22-23. Speaker sir, the total receipt projected are showing the growth of 12.53% over 22-23. Due to discontinuation of GST compensation, the state will see the revenue deficit of approximately rupees 800 crores through grant from the central government. The void will be majorly filled by the revenue collection from the initiatives taken by my government for restarting of the mining activity in the state and increase in the share of Goa in the central taxes. I also expect to revive the second installment of the grant of 150 crores of Goa at rate 60 from the central government in the financial year 23-24. Speaker sir, I am pleased to inform this august House that due to the various financial reform undertaken during my tenure, we have ended with a revenue surplus of rupees 59.39 crores as against the projection of 58.46 crores in the financial year 2021-22, despite of the COVID-19 pandemic disturbing the economy. For the financial year 23-24, the estimated revenue surplus is 669.46 crores. Speaker sir, the Government of India has kept the fiscal deficit to the GSTP ratio at 3.5% for the financial year 23-24. Further, the unutilized borrowings of the previous financial year have been allowed to be carried forward as per the recommendation of the 15th Finance Commission. Considering this fiscal deficit is estimated of rupees 4,183.10 crores. गोयचे दरडोई उत्पन्न 5.75 लाख अशें जे देशात सगळ्यात चड आसा। ही गजाल एक घटमूट आणि स्थिर अर्थव्यवस्थेची लक्षणां आसा आणि आमची मोख आसा की 2023-24 या वर्सा खातीर दरडोई उत्पन्न 6.32 लाख जातलें।